I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 29th of October, getting set to cruise into a Halloween weekend. A lot of things happening, and by golly, the coolest air so far this season is settling in here just in time to get some frost on those pumpkins early tomorrow. Skycam shots around the network early this morning. First off, coming from Birmingham, that's a look at Legion Field, where the Magic City Classic happens tomorrow. Going to be a beautiful day for that. A cloudless sky, low humidity with temperatures in the low 70s for that ball game. Just fantastic. Up at Mount Cheahaw, boy, what a great weekend to see the fall colors. Tammy Power up there says that the rain has really helped the colors to come out, and this might be the peak of the foliage colors up on that big mountain this weekend. And from Huntsville, the Rocket City, it's clear and pretty chilly. Water vapor satellite shot, the dry, cool air is settling in. Northwest flow aloft, and temperatures are as cold as 39 this morning in Cullman. Haleyville sitting at 40, mostly mid-40s down this way. Birmingham at 46 degrees. We think the coldest morning will be tomorrow morning when many spots will hit the upper 30s, and again, some chance of scattered light frost. And around the nation, look at those 20s up north. 20s down into Iowa, Wisconsin, Minnesota. Looks like the cold spot up there sitting at 24 degrees. QPF chart rain for the next 5 days. Will be dry through Monday, but we could get into some rain by Tuesday of next week. And really, the amount of rain and the system that we're going to be dealing with, more questions than answers at this point because of model inconsistency, as you'll see. And the tropical weather. All of a sudden, things are picking up out there just when you think it's safe to put these maps away for the season. New tropical storm formed last night by the name of Sherry. That's awfully close to Bermuda. That's a weak system and won't amount to much. The track on Sherry takes it near Bermuda tonight, and then it rapidly moves northeast. It will not do much. Again, it's got sustained winds of 40 and should become an extra tropical system relatively soon. This is the one that captures our imagination here. Look at this thing. It's huge. Very well-organized wave, and there's a good chance that becomes Tropical Storm Thomas in coming days. And you spell it T-O-M-A-S. And that's approaching the Windward Islands, and by golly, most of the guidance, they run this thing right through the Caribbean. And that's a very favored track to wind up in the Gulf. Of course, now with the mid-latitude westerlies so far south, odds are this will be turning northeast out to sea before it reaches the United States, but we'll see. We'll keep an eye on that. This is the OZGFS valid at 1 o'clock today. Trough moving through the northeast. Down below that, a gorgeous day. Nice cool breeze, bright sunshine. Highs in the mid-60s today. Dew points dropping down to freezing, down to about 31, maybe. In fact, some of the guidance has a dew point in the 20s today. Tomorrow, beautiful day to kick off the weekend. The GFS is showing a low of 38, and that sounds about right. The colder spots could see a freeze. High should be in the low 70s. Great day for the NASCAR fans over at Talladega. And Sunday just as nice. Sunny with mid-70s. And again, very low humidity. Now, next week on Monday, mostly dry. The winds are into the south, and there might be a shower somewhere down in South Alabama, but we think the chance is so small we'll leave it out. And then Tuesday, the models are all over the road. Every run looks different. That makes it a low-confidence forecast. Strong energy coming through Texas as this upper low begins to form, and the model is suggesting a chance of rain on Tuesday. And we've got that in the forecast, and highs dropping back in the upper 60s. Now, on this run, this is Wednesday, the upper low is much weaker and farther west. And accordingly, we're really not influenced by that, only a small chance of a shower. And Thursday, the feature drifts southwest, down toward McAllen, Texas, of all places. And again, if this is right, we're dry. But we have seen other runs that develop a stronger upper low closer with a good chance of showers on Wednesday and Thursday. So for now, we're just going to say a chance of showers Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We'll fine-tune that, and by the time we talk Monday morning, we'll have a much better feel for that. And then a week from today, still got the upper low over the Gulf way southwest of here. and a cooler air mass dropping in from the north. So, again, we'll see. All right, let's look out there a few days later. This is the 9th of November. Negative tilt shortwave, and that looks like a chance of showers and storms. And again, the idea of something out in this time frame has been good. We've seen very intense systems with a severe weather look. This is a weaker system, but that might be our next big storm event. A couple of days later, boy, look at the trough on the 13th, 540 line in the Gulf of Mexico. You talk about a cold snap. That could be record cold right there if this is right. And we all know that's a big if. It's out there in the land of voodoo. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.